Okay, quick calibration video for our Oakton pH meter. So I just wanted to firstly say that you can actually store water in the cap here, and it's good for the tip, so you can just keep water in there and dump it out every time after you use it. So to start, you just turn on your pH meter, and then to start calibrating, you long press the calibration button until it says calibration. And this one will tell you that it wants to start at 7. It'll blink 7 here. So I got our pH buffer solution, so I'm gonna leave it and put it in 7. And it'll kind of figure it out. And then you'll see the numbers changing and going down. And sometimes it takes a little bit to figure out where it wants to be. These pH meters are fun because they have little smiley faces. Let's go wait for the smiley face. Okay, so got the little smiley face. And so then this is where I'm gonna short press calibrate. So I'm gonna short press this button, but I'm gonna do it while it's in the solution. You just won't be able to see, so I'm gonna do it. So then it'll blink 7, and when you're recording your pH numbers on the pH sheet, like Form A, you would write down this number. So you'd write 6.96. And then you take it out of the solution, dump it in the water, tap it in the water. You should have a paper towel and dry it. I don't have that. And then you're gonna long press calibrate again, and it'll light up. And this time, instead of saying 7 down here, it's just gonna jump around to all these different numbers. Don't worry about that too much. Just pick whether or not you wanna start with the 4 or the 10, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna start in 4, and once again, you just stick it in the water, and the numbers will even out. Eventually down here, it'll say, the pH meter will recognize that it's in 4, and it'll say 4. Sometimes if you swish it around a little bit, it helps go a little faster. Okay, so the meter knows it's on 4. It has a smiley face, so I'm gonna short press that calibrate again. Oop, I didn't do it. Still lit up, so you know I didn't hit it. Okay, now it'll blink. And I'll write this 3.99 down on my Form A. I'm not sure if you can see it when it's not lit up, but there's an L and an M so far. It means I have calibrated for our middle point and our low point. And so then I'm gonna do the high point, which is the 10. So once again, long press calibrate until it turns on, it says calibrate. The numbers are gonna jump around all over again. But just like before, it'll figure it out eventually. It just takes time. Luckily, these ones are a little bit faster than our old ones, but they're still... and these will get you because sometimes the smiley face pops up and it goes away and pops up and it goes away. So you kind of gotta try to get it when the smiley face is there, and 10 is generally the hardest. All right, so I'm gonna short press that calibration button again, and the smiley face is there. Okay. And then just like before, I'm gonna write this 10.04 down on Form A, and we have our low, middle, and high points calibrated, and we're good to go. So you can turn it off, you can leave it on if you want, and calibrations are actually good for a week. So that's that, I guess.